Welcome back. Let's move from politics to health. We have joining us on the program the General Manager, Sales and Marketing, Greenlife Pharmaceuticals Limited, the makers of Lonart DS, Mr. Derrick Osondu joins us right here in our Lagos studio. Mr. Osondu, thank you for coming on the program.
Yeah, good morning, Jeffrey. Good morning, Bukola. Good morning, Kaidi. It's a pleasure.
So, I know you're here to, inform and also alert the public as far as, because I was asking you before I came, I said, oh, you guys are the ones that make that malaria drug. So walk with us, just help us understand why this conversation is quite important as far as Lonart is concerned.
Okay, firstly, by way of introduction, Greenlife Pharmaceuticals Limited is an indigenous pharmaceutical company. We're into manufacturing, marketing, and distribution of pharmaceutical products. And like for context, our vision is to become the vanguard of healthy living and the choice companion for all our publics. So what led to this conversation was, let me put with timelines. Sometime in January, we wrote to the agency that is in control of drugs in Nigeria, that's NAFDAC, that we intend to change our pack design of our leading brand, which is Lonart DS. And as that went on, they gave us permission to do so in February. And then, of course, we still had some of the old stock in the warehouse. So they gave us a moratorium that you can sell the old stock side by side with the new stock when it comes in. So, of course, when the new stock did come in, the first thing we did as a responsible company was to inform the public through our various social media handles. And we also have men on the ground who went to different healthcare facilities to inform them that we've changed our pack. But that the old one will still be in circulation for about 6 months or thereabout. And we're planning to go on with our advertising. You know, Channels is a partner. We do a lot of advertising on Channels. And we're still planning it. When somebody went on his verified Twitter handle to put the two products side by side and say, hey, this is fake. Don't use it. That's the new one. And this is the real one. Unfortunately, a lot of this one is in pharmacy shops. So please don't use it. And the point is simple. How do you do that without evidence? So for us, it was an egregious misuse of social media, and which could do a lot of reputational damage to our brand and our company. So we had to swing into gear and start doing things, which, of course, to correct that impression that these two products are existing side by side. There's no fake. And by the way, the only person or the only organization that has the power to say a drug is fake or not is NAFDAC. Nobody else, just like an election. No one can call an election except INEC. So no matter what it is, you don't say a drug is fake without due process. NAFDAC will not just take a drug and say it's fake. It will send it to its lab, do a barrage of tests, and then say this drug is fake. But for an individual to come on his verified social media, X is an ex-user, and come up and say this product is fake, don't use, is an egregious misuse of social media. And it hurts. And it's done a lot of reputational damage to our brand. And that's why we need to come and correct it.
We know that malaria is important to us as a nation, and advisedly.
Or the elimination of it.
The elimination of it, right. I think one of the most purchased medication in Nigeria will definitely be malaria medication. So everybody in the studio has had to use it, maybe recently, right? So this is a very important conversation, and it's important to set the record straight. But let's walk through what you've always had instituted to verify in the first place. For every